Congratulate them first and foremost, because I think 125 years is a long time, and it's a fantastic brand. It's a brand that I've used in the past, and I think 125 years is a long way, and I think it's a brand which is synonymous with quality. They stand for innovative designs, and I think giving a platform to young designers to come up with new creations is fantastic.
I'm sure it's going to be a show with a difference, because lingerie in designer wear would be something very interesting to watch, and I would definitely look out for what has been the basis of their theme, what gave them the idea, and why they did a particular collection. That's when I'm hoping that they're going to obviously follow a theme in each sequence.
Well, I think it's very important to keep a couple of things in mind. I think the comfort level should be important. I think the models should look comfortable wearing what they're wearing. They should be innovative. They shouldn't be, run of the mill. Shouldn't be boring, shouldn't be something that you've seen numerous times. And I think looking for something that has that edge, something that has a spark, something that looks nice, because women like lingerie. It's a very essential part of our wardrobe. So I think something that's edgy, something that's funky, but at the same time something that's very comfortable.
It's exciting, it's something different, and it would be interesting to see what the designers have created when lingerie is the theme. So I think it's very challenging for them, and it's very interesting from an audience point of view, and of course when I'm going to be judging it, it's going to be something worth watching for.
More than anything else, giving a platform to designers to come up with innovative designs is very important, because just doing a regular fashion show is very run of the mill again. So I think it's important to give a chance to budding designers, and this is such an important part of one's wardrobe, so why not? I mean, you have to exhibit it.